watching SK Live, your time, your news. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi interacted with Google's CEO Shri Sundar Pichai via video conferencing earlier today. Shri Pichai briefed about Prime Minister about the efforts taken by Google to help spread awareness and to provide reliable information about COVID-19. He said that the strong steps of lockdown initiated by the Prime Minister set up a very strong foundations of India's battle against the pandemic. Prime Minister appreciated the proactive role played by Google in battling misinformation and conveying right information about necessary precautions. He also talked about further leveraging technology in providing healthcare services. Prime Minister said that Indians are adjusting to and adopting technology at rapid paces. He talked about farmers benefiting from the technology and possibly wide-ranging benefits of AI in the agriculture. Prime Minister explored the idea of virtual labs that has introduced to new students as well as the farmers. Sundar Pichai briefed the Prime Minister about the new products and initiatives by the Google in the country. He mentioned about the launch of AI Researchers Lab in Bengaluru, which also highlights the benefits of Google flood forecasting efforts. Prime Minister briefed about the Google's plan to launch a large investment fund and develop strategies partnership in India. Prime Minister remarked that India is among the most open economies in the world. He also spoke about the recent steps taken by the government towards reforming agriculture and about campaign to create new jobs, while also highlighting the importance of reskilling. Prime Minister discussed the issue of data security and concern around privacy. He said that the tech company needs to put effort to bridge the trust deficit. He also talked about cyber crimes and threats in the former cyber attacks. Others includes the technology solutions to expand the scope of online education, access the technology in native languages, use of AR, VR to give the stadium-like viewing experience in the field of sports, and to progress the area of digital departments. That's all for today, and keep watching SK Live for more updates. Great opportunities for class 10 and 12 students. For class 10 student, there is a paramedical course, and for class 12 students, medical course. Minimum fees and bank loan facilities and various diploma degrees also available. Open for all streams. State Nursing Council affiliated to Rajiv Gandhi University and Health Science and Paramedical Board, Government of Karnataka. Adan Paramedical and Nursing College. Contact 80162 35569, Champasari, Siliguri.
आज जहाँ कोरोना से सभी है परेशान, हम लाए हैं कमाने का तरीका आसान। 21वीं सदी में महिलाएं आत्मनिर्भर होकर स्वाभिमान के साथ जीना चाहती है। अगर आप एक गृहिणी हैं और घर से ही मुनाफे वाला व्यवसाय करने का सोच रहे हैं, तो आपके लिए सुनहरा मौका लाए हैं टपरवेयर के सिलीगुड़ी स्थित पूरे नॉर्थ बंगाल के डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर नारायणी पार्टी सेल्स। तो सोचिए नहीं, स्क्रीन में दिए गए नंबर में संपर्क कीजिए और विस्तृत जानकारी लीजिए। घर बैठे पैसे कमाए, आज ही फ्री मेंबरशिप लीजिए, अपने सपनों को पूरा कीजिए। मुश्किल की इस घड़ी में आपका साथ ही सिर्फ टपरवेयर।